So Keith Maynard from the Hydrogen Standard here at the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Hamburg, and I'm chatting to Mike Shannahan from Henkel and the Loctite brand.
Yes.
Have I got all that right, Mike? Because that was a real mouthful.
You sure did, Keith. Good job.
I nailed it, thank you. Now tell us more about Henkel and the Loctite brand.
Sure, yeah. Henkel is a global chemical company based in Dusseldorf, Germany. And Loctite is one of their iconic brands. It's the largest adhesives brand in the world.
Wow, okay, which is talked about by all these wonderful little pots of adhesive that we're surrounded by. Now, tell us more about what you're doing specifically within hydrogen. Has this been a recent move?
Yeah, over the last couple of years, as the hydrogen infrastructure begins to grow, some of the challenges they face are perfectly suited for our solutions. So the challenges such as safety, leakage, compatibility with hydrogen, efficiency, and reliability, all working well with the types of solutions that our products can bring to the market.
Now, one of those products, I believe, is thread sealing products. Can you tell us more about how you help the hydrogen industry with that?
Yeah, we launched our thread sealants to the hydrogen industry about 2 years ago. They're anaerobic thread sealants. That means they cure in the absence of air and presence of metal. So they fill the thread roots between two threaded connections, and they cure into robust thermoset plastic that prevent hydrogen leakage. We offer 5 thread sealants that are Kiwa-certified to AR214 certification, which means they're certified for use in hydrogen systems up to 100% hydrogen. And then in addition to that, we've done our own testing at higher pressures, and we have products that go up to 750 bar, even 1500 bar. So they can withstand the rigors of hydrogen high pressure and still prevent the leakage and also deliver efficiency and reliability.
And I believe you've also recently started to move into flange sealing. Is that correct? Can you tell us a little bit more about that and the challenges involved?
Yeah, so the flange sealants we offer are based on the same backbone chemistry as the thread sealants, but these are designed for sealing rigid metal flanges that are close fitting. These sealants fill in all the surface imperfections between the two parts, creating a robust seal that resists hydrogen. We've tested it in our own labs up to 41 bar. So thus we're claiming the hydrogen ready positioning for those for hydrogen applications. Anything that has a rigid metal flange system for valves, pumps, compressors, these are suitable for use there.
And you're also famous for Loctite thread lockers. Yeah? How is that technology being brought across into the hydrogen industry?
Yeah, good point. Loctite is known for its thread lockers, and we offer the same off-the-shelf thread lockers that have been reliably preventing vibration, loosening, and threaded fasteners for the hydrogen industry as well. So anywhere where there's a vibration or changes in temperatures, or we may be more conducive for fasteners to loosen, our Loctite thread lockers will keep those from vibrating or loosening.
Now, I believe a huge benefit is innovation within Henkel, and particularly the Loctite brand. What other new innovations have you recently brought to market?
Yeah, somewhat of a departure from the adhesive side is also now in a digital leakage monitoring we offer. And at the show this week, we're unveiling our new Loctite Pulse Smart Valve Leak Monitoring System. So that is a process that we can monitor valves and tell our customers whether or not it's leaking. It's all digitally communicated to their systems. So that way, if there's any leaks, they can get on top of it right away.
So a fantastic innovation. What's the feedback been from that initially?
Yeah, the Loctite Pulse Smart Valve, as well as all the other sealants that we're offering, have been positively received at the show so far.
So Mike, this looks very similar to the kind of products I might use for supergluing around my home. If I was to pinch this, is this something I could use elsewhere?
Well, not quite a super glue adhesive, but you could use it on any thread sealing hydrogen related connections you have at home, sure.
Fantastic. Don't mind if I pinch this, do you?
Go for it.
They're very generous.